Okay, hello everyone. I'm Eli Haviv from Israel, from the Society for the Protection of Nature in Israel, which is a partner of BirdLife International. SPNI, it's the largest NGO conservation in Israel. We deal with not just with birds, with all aspects of conservation. So Israel is here. It's a little country in the Middle East. Of course, that roller are migrate to Israel, and also we have a breeding population. We have new estimated of the breeding population. It's about 150 breeding pairs. In the migration, we can see all over the country, but not in a big number, not so concentration. In Israel, there is not hunting or illegal killing of roller. It's absolutely not the situation around Israel. Okay, Israel is not present well the Mediterranean area in this aspect. Okay, so Europe or Africa, it's questions. Last day was a discussion with Alex and with Alex about what we are. So it really doesn't matter because it's the same population. What you have, we get it in flyway. So it's important to know. For me, it's new that roller are nesting in artificial net box and also on trees. In Israel, they're only nesting in old quarries like bee eaters and dry sandy river beds. That's only. Our data source is based on a few sources. The old one is Shir Chai, Avraham Shir Chai, that estimates the population and the distribution in Israel in the late 80s, birds of Israel. In the recent few years, there is increasing data from birder via online system. We have online system. This map is all the observation we have from the system, but it's still not a lot of data. And in these days, we are update the read book in Israel, so we do a compare. We work on the same box atlas from Shir Chai and try to estimate the trend with opinion expert opinion. So to understand the distribution in Israel, and it's very important to know the average rain in Israel. This map will show the annual mean. So the red is the desert in Israel. It's about 30 millimeter to maximum 200 millimeter at year. And all the green is much more rainy. In Israel, the roller are breeding in all this area, all the green. So probably it's the certain distribution limit in breeding in all the population. Okay, general trend, probably breeding population are stable, maybe moderately decreasing. Avraham Shir Chai estimate the population in the late 80s about 1,000 breeding pairs. Now we are estimated about 150. It sounds like it's dramatic increasing, but it's not. Possibly there is overestimating in late 80s, and possibly a conservative estimate now. So there is not something dramatic with this species in Israel. We can see here two maps. One map, it's occupancy difference between late 80s and now. The red boxes is when it's occupants in late 80s, and now there is not occupied. The green, it's the opposite situation. Now it's occupied, but not in late 80s. And the white is no different. So the situation there is the same. There is also a abundance difference. It's this map. The green, it's meaning that there is more distribution, more abundance in these boxes, and the red one, it's mean less abundance, and the white, it's the same. Ringing recapture, only one. Ringing in Latvia in 1937, and hunting a year later in near Jerusalem. The main threat in Israel, we don't really know. Maybe after the research of what Bella is presenting, we know more. But it's a human distribution, a development around breeding site, a frustration, a decrease in food supply from a large-scale intensive agriculture and pesticide use. But the situation around us, it's definitely not like in Israel. A new threat in Israel, it's new turbines. There is many programs are planted in Israel. We are still don't know nothing about the current future impact, but we guess that of course there is an impact. The main threats in the Middle East is probably the hunting and illegal killing. It's an important issue. Conclusion regarding to Israel is to better monitoring of breeding population, to start collect data on migrants, what Bella is presented before, and to address the threats to the breeding population and migrants. That's it.